What if I told you that your lower back pain, weak core, and flat glutes could all be fixed with one movement, and all you need is a $10 yoga block? Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, keep watching, because this little block is about to become your biggest game changer. Before we dive in, here's a fact that might shock you. Studies show that over 80% of adults will experience serious back pain at some point in their life, and the number one reason is weak glutes and core. But here's the good news, this movement doesn't just help, it transforms. Now, imagine being able to lift heavier, move better, and walk without that nagging ache, without a single trip to the gym. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how. But first, let's set your goal. Your goal today is simple: fire up your glutes, tighten your core, and protect your spine all in one movement. Sounds ambitious? It is, but trust me, it's possible. Here's the problem: most people train their abs wrong. Crunches? Overrated. Sit-ups? Bad for your back. And glute bridges? They work, but not like this. The truth is, without activating your deep stabilizing muscles, you're building strength on a shaky foundation. Enter the Yoga Block Squeeze Plus Bridge. It's so simple, it almost feels like cheating. But when done right, this move lights up your glutes, core, and lower back like nothing else. Let's break it down. Step 1. Lie flat on your back. Knees bent, feet flat. Place the yoga block between your inner thighs. Step 2. Squeeze the block hard. Feel your inner thighs engage. Step 3. Lift your hips slowly, engaging glutes and core. Step 4. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds, then slowly lower. Step 5. Repeat for 12 to 15 reps, 3 sets. Start by lying flat on your back, feet hip width apart. Now, place the yoga block snugly between your thighs. This is your secret weapon. Here's why this works. Squeezing the block forces your inner thighs and pelvic floor to engage. This creates full body tension, which in turn activates your glutes and core more than a standard bridge ever could. And no, this isn't just a squeeze and pray move. If you're doing it right, you'll feel muscles you didn't even know you had. Want to level up? Try placing your feet on an elevated surface, or holding the bridge for 10 seconds at the top. Advanced? Add a resistance band above your knees.